Want to know how to truncate silence to your audios in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do so the easiest way. So let's get right into it. So first up, launch Audacity and import any file that you like. Now, double-click on it to select the entire audio. Now go to Effects, go to Special, and then click on Truncate Silence. Now here you can see the settings pop up right here. Under Drag Silence, there is Threshold and Duration. So if the threshold is -20 decibels, the audio that is below -20 gets silence. And if there is a pause that is more than 0.5 seconds, the audio gets removed and silenced as well. So you can also tweak auto settings such as actions. So once you've done it, just simply click apply. And here you can see the waveform has been shortened and you can see the difference as well. You can preview and change it as you like by pressing spacebar. And that's it. It's as easy as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.